as in a journey every day, however far, whatever the destination. There's nothing to worry about. Take your seat, relax your mind. Wherever you go, Golden Dragon Bus is taking you forward. Golden Dragon, founded in 1992, is a leading bus manufacturer in China which is committed to offering the best transport solutions for customers. In China, we have 3 world-class production bases with the most technically advanced modern workshops. Every year, there are thousands of buses produced there. We are the China Top 500 brand and Top 500 in China's machinery industry. The diversified products and the craftsmanship of our employees are the cornerstones of our success. As the National Technological Center, we are actively engaged in international exchange and cooperation. With the advanced production equipment and professional R&D capabilities, we are racing against time to make our dreams come true. Our tourist buses, long-distance buses, and luxury recreational vehicles are providing passengers with a safe and comfortable journey on the roads all over the world. Our city buses provide efficient transport services and more convenient urban life to people in many cities. Our classic medium-sized buses and light vans have always dominated the market and have become a symbol of the similar models. Up to date, we have formed a product chain ranging from 4.8 meters to 18 meters. Including several market segments. Ever since 2005, we have been moving ahead to explore new transport technologies and have started R&D in natural gas bus, pure electric bus, and hybrid bus. In 2008, our hybrid buses were put into operation on China's first hybrid bus line in Hangzhou. Also in 2008, we took the lead in introducing a cathodic electrophoresis coating line to improve the anti-corrosion capability of bus bodies, prolonging the service lifetime of the body and reducing the maintenance cost. In 2010, we adopted monocoque assembly process for large-sized buses to eliminate the corrosion hazard and maximizing the electrophoresis effect. With our team's hard work and innovative spirit, we have obtained dozens of patents in the field of buses so far, and are ready to obtain more in the future. Any progress we make in our production process, any improvement we achieve in our technologies, they all represent our relentless efforts to explore the unknown of the bus world. We apply the top-class technical platform, greatly speeds up product development cycle, and enhances the durability of buses. We are focusing on human-machine engineering research, optimizing driving environment, striving to improve driver comfort and minimize the driving risks. We developed the driving condition recognition system and make full use of every bit of energy. In Golden Dragon, we will always do everything to make our buses drive further and ensure your safety. No matter how rough the road, we would like to make change to take you forward. Every bus model from Golden Dragon has passed at least 26 items of field tests and over 10,000 CAE tests, ensuring its high performance, safety, and eco-friendliness. We apply lean production management mode and comply with the highest quality standard in our field and pursue perfection in every detail. Always, we deliver the best products to meet our customers' demands after 22 items of strict inspection. Our customers and their choice are all we care. So far, Golden Dragon Buses has become the first bus manufacturer in China who holds WVTA certificate. Now our global sales network has spread across over 80 countries and regions in Europe, Asia, Africa, South America, Middle East and Oceania. Distance will prove our quality. Time will testify our sincerity. The most important of all, we are the team you can trust. Come to join us, and let's work together to take you forward.